Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm telling you how to make fresh paneer at home and paneer bhurji. So guys, I'm telling you step by step how to cook. So let's begin. So guys, for paneer bhurji we need recipes fresh milk, full fat of milk. I have got 3.8 liters milk there, and I have got 2 chopped onion, green chilli 2, and 1 spoon of ginger, 1 spoon of garlic, and 1 fresh tomato chopped, and I have got 2 lemon juice there, and I have got some powdered spices. So guys, I'm telling you step by step how to make paneer at home first, then how we cook the paneer bhurji. So guys, we need a large pan for to boil the milk. So it's already gas on, so I'm going to put milk there. Then we're going to boil the milk first. So we have to keep stirring, make sure it's no stick on the bottom or burn. So keep stirring up till the boil the milk. So पनीर बनाने के लिए ज़रूर ध्यान देना पड़ना कि दूध ਜਦੋਂ उबालते हैं थल्ले ना लग जाए तो सानू कड़छी फेरने जाना. So guys, just make sure milk is properly boiled, because if it's not properly boiled, cheese and water are not going to separate. So guys, you can see milk is properly boiled. So I'm going to add the lemon juice now, and I completely slow down. So add the lemon juice, then keep stirring. So guys, you can see it's all separate. This is the paneer, and we called is soft cottage cheese as well. So I'm going to drain the water. So guys, you can make the cubes, or you can use as salad as well, or you can cook immediately after make this paneer. Days you can save in the fridge as well for further cook. So I'm going to cook immediately today because I'm going to cook scrambled paneer with the chapati. I have got very thin soft cloth there, so I'm going to drain water there so it can drain all water, and we can hold the cheese inside the cloth. So it's hot, very careful, watch your hands, keep squeezing water. So make sure it's all water drained. So I'm going to leave here for a few minutes to make sure it's drained the water. As by the time they drain the water from the paneer, I'm going to prepare some masala. So I'm going to use this spoon. I'm going to add 1 spoon of oil, any kind of oil you can use it. I'm using the vegetable oil today. That's enough, 1 spoon is enough. And let it warm first. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Little bit brown. Then I'm going to add white chopped onion. Let it cook till little bit brown, 2-3 minutes. So guys, it's all water drained, and this is the fresh paneer, or you can call it soft cottage cheese. You can make at home yourself. It's very healthy, and it is very good idea for the vegetarian people as well. So I'm going to put down there. So I'm going to scramble this one. So guys, it's already a few minutes I fry the onion. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the garlic, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Then I'm going to stir till little bit brown. So guys, you can see it's a little bit slightly golden brown now. So I'm going to add green chilli. Then I'm going to fry till it's golden brown now. So guys, you can see it's all golden brown now. Next I'm going to add chopped tomato. keep frying. Then next I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, add half teaspoon of salt. You can put salt according to your taste. Then I'm going to cook the tomatoes soft and all water is dry, so keep frying another 2 minutes. Then I'm going to put lid on, let it cook. So guys, I'm taking the masala. You can see the masala is done. All is separate and all water is dry. So tomatoes and all masala is cooked. Then I'm going to add the fresh paneer. Keep stirring up. Then I'm going to do a little bit low flame. Then I'm going to cook no more than 5-7 minutes. The lid on. Keep stirring in the middle. So guys, it's 5 to 7 minutes already I cooked. So all water is dry. Then I'm going to add half teaspoon of garam masala, little bit fresh coriander. Then I'm going to cook again another 2 minutes. Then it will be done. So guys, it's cooked already. It looks already delicious. So I'm going to dish out. So this is the final look, and this is called Paneer Bhurji in India. It's super, very healthy, very delicious paneer di bhurji. So guys, you must try this recipe. It's very, very nice, easy and very delicious recipe. Then I'm going to put little bit coriander, fresh coriander on the top. And this is the done. Look at the guys, it look very nice, very beautiful. So guys, you can enjoy with chapati, plain parotha, puri. Its choice is yours. So thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you like my video. So till then, thank you very much. Bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care everyone. Bye bye.